Autodesk Vault 2021.1 builds on functionality from our previous releases, with new functionality to help you access and work with your vaulted data within Inventor. Inside Inventor, a new Show Details panel allows us to view information from Vault about our designs and perform Vault workflows without having to leave the Inventor interface. Show Details is a dockable panel. By default, we'll see information about our current model, such as history, uses, where used, BOM, and ECO information. By selecting components in the browser window, the graphics window, or the Vault browser, we can view information about specific components, including its BOM participation and any change orders. We can navigate the design with the right mouse button click on any component and go to the associated change order, BOM item, or folder location within the Vault client. We can even assign a file to an item. The columns shown in the panel are configurable to show just the data you need. Inventor 2021 gives building product manufacturers new tools to collaborate with architectural designers with Inventor AnyCAD for Revit models. This allows Revit project files to be referenced into Inventor assembly models for coordination of the design. With this new release of Vault, we can now optionally check in the Revit model with the Inventor assembly. This allows us to manage our reference Revit models in Vault Professional for concurrent design and revision control. A new Exclude Path option allows us to exclude files from being checked into Vault that we would like to manage separately. Excluded files will be loaded into Inventor from local disk or network as normal, but will not participate in the check-in process. Inside Inventor, Vault Duplicate Search has new advanced filters to help you identify duplicate components based on criteria such as time period, for example, how long they've been checked into Vault, or by their current release status. After a duplicate search is run, advanced filters like same material, mirrored parts, or exact matches can be updated and the duplicate search refreshed. Inside the Vault client, saved searches can now be grouped to help you organize your saved searches in a way that makes sense to you, perhaps by type or functionality or category. Groups can be renamed and searches can be dragged and dropped into groups. Groups can be nested to help you create your organizational structure. Additionally, we have new custom views for saved searches. Custom views allow you to save settings such as fields, custom filters, and grid lines. This new functionality will allow you to apply your custom views to your saved searches or create new custom views from a saved search. With Autodesk Vault 2021.1, we are continuing to build on your feedback from live events, Autodesk ideas, and the Vault feedback community.